Hello, my name is Keshwani. That's K-E-S-H-W-A-N-I, Keshwani. We are here because we want to learn algebra. Today is our lesson number 108. We're in the process of learning how to solve word problems. Let's see what we have for today. Here's the question. What must be added to A to get B? Very simple question, very straightforward question. As I've always said, the question may be very simple, the question may be very straightforward, but the answer necessarily ain't. Answer is, I don't know if it came out right or not. I was trying to be colloquial. I don't know where I picked up ain't, but anyway. Answer necessarily is not. What must be added to A to get B? Well, again, as you have seen in the first 7 days, the simplest and the easiest way to tackle algebra problem, particularly in the beginning when you're first learning how to handle the thing, is to simply make up numbers, plug in variable or plug in numbers for the variables, and see what it works out to be. So let's plug in numbers here. Let's pretend that A is 10 and B is 17. So now the question reads, okay, let's plug in. That's what we're doing here. Let's plug in 10 for A and 17 for B. Now where are these 10 and 17 coming from? Well, they are falling from the sky. I'm just making them up. You can plug in your number. You can plug in anything you want. What must be? So now the question reads. What must be added to A, which we are substituting 10 for? What must be added to 10 to get B, which is our 17? You see, all of a sudden, this algebra problem turns into a very simple arithmetic problem. So simple, in fact, that you can even give it to the first grader, not fourth grader. I said first grader. And the child of first grade, a 5-year-old, 6-year-old, will be able to figure it out. What do you need to add to 17 to get? What do you need to add to 10 to get 17? Answer, of course, is 7. The answer, of course, is 7, or 17 minus 10. Where did this 7 come from? Well, 17 minus 10. What must be added to 10 to get 17? Well, 17 minus 10 is what you need to add. The exact same logic will apply when we're doing algebra. We just have to replace this number by their respective variables. 17 was B, and 10 is supposed to represent A. There we go, there is your answer. So what must be added? So now the answer is, what must be added to A to get B? The answer is B minus A. B minus A, right here. B minus A must be added to A to get B. That is what we are claiming. We are claiming that this quantity, B minus A, 17 minus 10, must be added. B minus A must be added to A to get B. Let's see if it's true. Let's add B minus A to A, and let's see if we get B. B minus A, open the parenthesis, plus A equals, well, a negative A and positive A cancels out, and what do you know? B minus A plus A does turn out to equal B, of course. One more time. What must be added to A to get B? The answer is B minus A must be added to A. The difference of the two numbers, the number that you want to get and the number that you started out with, the difference between the two numbers must be added to the number that you started out with to end up with what you want to get at the end. I'm going to say it one more time. The number that you started out with, the question is what must be added to A to get B? Well, the answer is the difference between the two. The difference between the two numbers must be added, the difference between this number and that number must be added to the number that you started out with in order to get the number that you want. The difference between these two numbers is B minus A right here. That's it. That's all. We're done for today. I will see you tomorrow on lesson number 109. As I told you before already, if you think that these problems are too simple and too silly, well, they're too simple and too silly for a reason. As I told you before, I want you to think of these in terms of level of difficulty. We're going to do 100 problem on a scale of 100, on a scale of 101, on a scale of 101 to 200, or if you like, on a scale of 1 to 100. This is number 8. Obviously, it's very simple. Wait until it gets to 198. And if you can handle 198, then you are in business. But you will not be able to handle 198 unless you lay a solid foundation. This is the foundation. Do you understand? So don't skip anything. I'll see you tomorrow on day number 109. Alright?